All right, so this morning we'll be looking at some cool summer cuts that you can rock just about anywhere. Jamaican celebrity barber, Sean Poe. It's not for the first time he's here. He calls himself the mobile barber. He's responsible for he grooms Elephant Man, Jadena, Chris Martin, Idona, Kid Corrupt, Super Hype, and others. He takes appointments via phone calls, and well, he's between Kingston and Montego Bay, which means him kind of cover the island. You understand? No, come deal with the island still. So, morning.
Morning.
And with us is also Tanisha, who will be the lone model this morning.
Yeah.
Why you wanted to be a barber in the first place?
You know, I don't work for nobody.
You didn't want to work for anybody?
No.
I know you started at somewhere. So why you started this mobile thing?
I started at a shop. I used to work at Adam and Eve.
Yeah.
And from Adam and Eve, I just started on my own. I used to work at Bling Dog shop before then, Adam and Eve, and then I just
But why you decided to just be mobile?
I don't even, you know, like seriously?
Yeah.
I never like the shop vibes. I don't want to stay in the shop. Like, it's basically think outside of the box.
So this is what you do now?
Yeah.
So
like,
someone wants you, them just call you.
Yeah, just call and
you turn up?
Yeah.
Anywhere?
Anywhere.
Yeah. So what you gonna do this morning? But I think I remember us talking about you being self-taught as far as cutting nails.
I don't get that.
But what about the females? That can't be that easy to do. Or it's easy?
I can draw, you know? Like, I can draw.
Right.
And I can paint. So, basically, this is my canvas.
Okay. So we're looking at some stuff that you do. Look at the one on screen. How easy is that one to do? Or everything easy for you now?
Yeah, not hard. That is very easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, like.
So anything more want? So if I want to never be the greatest man in the whole world, you can put that on me to do.
Of course.
All right, go try it, one of them, dear.
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right, so what you going to do? That is Tanisha right
Yeah,
there,
I'm just give a...
That was my last year.
That was your last year?
Yeah, so I'm just going to fresh it up back.
All right, well, I could see how you do it and what you do now.
Simple, you know.
It's basically the same, go and cut while we talk. Basically, it's the same thing for a man as a woman, or it's more difficult, the hair texture and all kind of thing.
More difficult, there's a difference between a man and a woman cut. The man cut, it's a little bit hard.
Man cut harder than a woman cut?
As a tough cut, it's more masculine, you get me?
Yeah.
But you have females who got them hair cut like that, which is different. You have to, the female cut have to be a softer cut.
Right.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if you're giving a female a fade, you can't give her the same fade as a male.
Yeah, I have a question. You can't cut and talk same time.
Yeah, man, I can.
Yeah,
I can do that.
You mash up our ear while you're talking.
No, man, no, do that.
So go and talk and let me see if you can really read the truth. You can't do it, you know, you have to concentrate.
Why, I can't talk on this?
No, you can't do it. Concentrate.
Yeah, don't forget nervous. No, man, good. So I said no, never.
Yeah.
You have to do a softer cut than a hard cut where it look more feminine. You get me?
Do you find clients who come in and just say, Baba, just do a thing for me, or they tell you exactly what they want?
You know, so them never tell me what you wanted.
No, I never do.
So you just...
Yeah, I'm just there.
Just
Just start and do it.
I'm not try that thing about that. You might spoil up my thing. You know, but it's so wonderful. That's lovely though. And how often, if you want to keep that style, how often would you have to be? Is what, every week, every couple of days, or?
This is every week and a half.
Every week and a half.
Yeah, because I already grow very fast.
Because I find, like you say, I have a little part here, but I find like that couple of days it close up almost. It don't last very long.
Because maybe it needs to look good. Like my lines them stay for a while.
Yeah, I like my barber still, so I'm not going to give my hard time.
You can't cheat on your barber.
No, I'm not cheat at all. So how you got with the celebrity? How that started now that you have all the artists and stuff? You say what, Bling Dog shop?
Yeah, that was a long time ago. I used to work at Bling Dog Barber Shop then, Adam and Eve.
Is that where the celebrity part of your job started?
Yeah, some of them. And then when I started trimming on my own, I used to trim a lot at studio. I used to go to studios and stuff.
Okay.
So I met a lot of artists at studios, and it's just good work.
So like how me is not a celebrity, you would have cut my hair twice on the celebrity alone you cut.
I cut everybody.
Everybody, so I'm not a celebrity alone.
No, I'm not a celebrity.
No, so I'm lucky then. Could I get a haircut?
Yeah, you can get a haircut. Man.
Yeah. How have you found if somebody wants you to you know, how them find you?
It's Instagram. Most of my clients, I get customer like referrals.
Okay.
I have a lot of like referrals. So I'm used to that for over
So
years.
Somebody that just give me a number,
yes.
call you and say.
Yeah, I'm used to that. I'm used to that kind of method. You get me?
Okay.
So I don't put a number on Instagram.
Yeah.
So you can direct message me.
Yeah.
And then we can answer sometimes.
Ever do nobody hear it and spoil it up?
I'm just start. Mess up all the people head.
You mess up all the people head.
All the people head.
So what them do?
They want to fight me. Mr. Record the shop and them, I trim some of them step out of my chair with them head ball off and they're not supposed to ball.
So
them step out, no, that was a learning process, so you just start trim.
Are you just ball the people,
them step out now, they want a number 1, for instance, and I got number 0. You know what I'm saying?
So what them do?
Step out of my chair and go over there and accost me. That was early, like, at a shop named Chris Scott Barber Shop in Boulevard.
I have a friend named Sister Lily when I want to start out to me.
Yeah? No problem.
You soon say I hear Lily. So Sister Lily, right? So what? Sister, yeah, Rasta Sister Lily. This is nice though, very, very neat.
Yeah.
This
is very simple. It's a very simple cut.
It can be very simple, Sean, man.
No, this is a simple cut. It's a very simple cut. You know?
All right, let me finish it for you.
Hold on.
No.
Tanisha said no. Tanisha, you don't rate me. Eh?
Wait, I plead the fifth.
Tanisha said no. Don't try that. All right, good to see you, my brother.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Good to see you. And as you say, you can find him when you need him. And somebody know how to find him.
I'm coming back soon to carry my products, like your products. And I'm doing a trim and trim tour where I can do some workshops and trim and teach the kids them to trim.
Brilliant. When?
Like maybe 3 months time or 2 months.
Oh, well, when you're ready, yeah, come back.
And then I have some products that I carry in back there.
You can brighten up this?
Yeah, man.
You can do it now while me attack?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I can explain something. You see, if you mess up me here, you could be mobile a little more, I go and find you.
Yeah.
What, you have to take off my glasses, I know?
No.
I just right, just move on, you know. Don't play me, you know, yo.
Relax.
Yeah, me very relaxed. All right, Sean Poise, celebrity barber. That's why I'm cutting my hair, because I'm a celebrity. Up next, weird facial treatment around the world. And I'm going to finish Tanisha here. Tanisha, I'm not smiling at me. You done already, yo? I like it. How it look? Sister Dilly, how it look? What you do? What that? What that? So it looked like the first weird facial treatment went to my mind. I said, so.